deep feeling inside. What I see in your eyes.
Are you okay?
I don't know. My parents, they promised to come get me at the airport. I haven't heard from them. I've been calling them. They're not picking their calls. It's just unlike them.
Is that why you're bothered? See, maybe they're stuck up in traffic. I mean, this is Lagos. So officially, welcome back to Nigeria.
I get it. But weren't you caught in traffic as well?
Well, at least I told my cabman to hurry up and use some shortcut because I couldn't stand another minute without seeing your beautiful face. Come on, smile.
I've waited 5 years to see them, okay? It's unlike them.
Well, you know what? Let's just wait until we get to your parents' house. I mean, okay? Come on, smile.
Okay.
Smile. So, babe, welcome home.
Thank you. Mom?
Welcome, ma'am. Welcome, sir.
Yeah,
Hi.
thank you.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yeah. Where are my parents?
They went to the airport to pick you up. Didn't you see them there?
So, like I told you, you have nothing to worry about.
I've been trying to reach them.
Perhaps you can call them again.
Why wouldn't they tell me if that's what they wanted to do?
Just relax, all right? I mean, you have nothing to worry about. You're finally home.
Good afternoon, sir. My hotel.
Babe, just put yourself together. Okay, put yourself together.
Oh, you know what? We really missed you, myself and your mother. So when will you be done with your PhD? You know what? Yes. I mean, when are you coming back to the country? When will you be back to Nigeria? Next week? Uh-oh. Are you kidding me? Are you joking? Huh? For real? Uh-oh. That's great. We can't wait to have you here. We really missed you. It's not been easy for your mom and I. We can't wait to have you back. We will be at the airport to receive you, my girl. We really missed you, okay? Okay. Take care of yourself, okay? Bye-bye. Honey, I just spoke to Norma.
Oh, everybody knows that you speak with her all the time.
Yeah.
What did she say?
She said she's coming back to Nigeria next week.
Really?
Yes.
Wow. That is good news.
Yes, it is.
But I did not expect her to come back home quick after completing her PhD yesterday.
Wow, same here. But what do we expect? I'm just very excited about it. I think it's okay.
Wow. Oh my God. Honey, I can't wait to see her. You know what? We are going to organize a welcome party for her.
Yes. I have been thinking about that too, my girl. My sweetie. I really cannot. I mean, I feel so good. I now have a daughter who is well educated, who can take over my company after when I retire.
Yes, so I can see it all over you. That's right.
Yeah. Oh my God.
Oh, God.
I'm just happy. Honey! You need to be out now. You know her flight will soon land. Please, please, come, let's go. Let's go. There's no time.
Honey, I'm coming.
Come on. You're looking good.
Yeah,
The driver is ready.
I have to be careful with the stairs.
Okay.
Okay?
Babe.
How? How am I supposed to put myself together? I've been away for 5 good years, hoping to come home yesterday and see my parents, and I come back to meet their corpse. How am I supposed to put myself together?
Okay, please. Please, okay? Just put yourself together. Just... Please, it's okay. It's okay. Don't do it to yourself. Please, okay? I know it's hard. Okay? I know it's hard. I'm with you. Just put yourself together, please. Please. That's for the sake.
So have you found the man that killed my parents?
Not yet, ma. We're still trying to trace the owner of that truck.
And how long is this going to take?
Ma, it's a bit difficult now because after the truck, the driver ran away. The truck was burnt down by hungry mobs. So it will be difficult to obtain some vital information now about the vehicle. But I assure you, I promise you, you will hear from us now. So.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
It's Cynthia.
Yes, Cynthia, you said you'd be showing me around the office today.
Exactly.
And your friend is?
This is your new personal driver.
Good morning, ma'am. My name is Kenneth.
Good morning, Kenneth.
Madam,
Yeah.
would you like something?
Something like what?
Something to eat. Food.
Food?
Yeah.
I thought your only job was to drive me.
Yeah, sure, but I'm a good cook and I could cook you dinner. If you don't mind, that is.
Thank you, but I'll let you handle it.
Okay. No, all right.
Welcome, ma'am.
Yeah.
How was your day at work?
Good. I want to eat something light, like an avocado salad.
Okay.
Yeah, thank you.
I see in your eyes, the feeling inside. Tell me what I see in your eyes. What I see, still feeling inside. What I see in your eyes, the feeling inside. Oh, it is magical, jammed up, beautiful, insane. It's an addiction, all for your love. 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 For love, it's an addiction. Tell me what I see in your eyes. Still feeling inside. What I see in your eyes.
What do you mean by you need a new car?
Yeah,
What's wrong with the one you're driving now?
babe. The guy's old. I mean, now that you're around, I need something befitting to like take you around Lagos. I mean,
I don't know, Tunji. Can't you manage it for now? I just sent you 5 million naira last week to start up a new business.
babe, okay, now, just like you said, you sent me 5 million naira for a business. I mean, this is for a car. Well, it's okay if you can't do it at the moment, okay? I understand.
Fine. I'll do something about it.
Babe, you're joking, right?
I will.
God, thank you very much. What would I have done without you?
It's fine. Just make sure your mom gets better.
Yeah, of course. I mean, of course, she'll be fine. Have I told you how beautiful you look today?
No, you haven't.
You see, you're the most beautiful girl in the world, and not only. You see, your smile alone is about to make me faint. Come on.
Well, I don't know. God. What is it? What?
The car's ready.
Oh, okay. Well, go. We'll be behind you. Baby, it's time for us to go.
I need you.
I'm putting makeup all over your face. That's why I told you. You ruined my makeup.
I just want you.
Let's go.
Babe, you really look beautiful.
Yes, Cynthia, please, can I see you in my office? Okay.
Mom?
Yes, Cynthia. Do you know who put this on my table?
Flowers? I have no idea.
You have no idea who walked into my office and placed a bouquet of flowers on the table?
No, ma'am, but I'll just go back outside and ask around.
Okay, do
I'll
that,
get back to you.
please.
All right, thank you, ma.
Lola, what are you doing here?
Tunji, so this is where you are. In a house as beautiful as this.
Lola, how did you get to know where I live?
Well, I asked around. You can't just leave her and your kids in the village.
Lola, what are you saying? I have been sending you guys money. And besides, I was in the village 6 months ago.
6 months. Tunji, who leaves his family for 6 months without seeing them?
Okay, Lola, tell me. What do you want now?
We are here to stay. I'm tired of staying in the village while I have a husband.
Lola, I am sorry to break this to you. Lola, you can't stay here. I am not in a good shape to accommodate you guys right now.
Whatever the situation is, we will manage. We are here to stay, period.
Are you even listening to me?
Kids, say hi to your dad.
Yes, who is it? Come in. Come in. What is it?
I came to give this to you. You forgot them in the car.
Put them in the study. Help me get the door.
Thank you, Lord. Babe.
Don't babe me. Where have you been?
Babe, I've been busy all day.
Tunji, you've been busy all day on Valentine's Day. Do I look stupid?
I've been busy all day. Remember the business? Client came around, a couple of people to sign, and all of that. Of course, you know I always have you here. Come on, babe. I'm sorry, okay? Come on, bring it in. Come on. Come on. Huh? You look pretty tonight.
But the flowers were from you, right?
Flowers?
Mm-hmm. When I got back, I saw a bouquet on my table from a secret admirer.
Oh, the flowers, yeah. Yeah, from me. You like them?
Like?
What do you mean? You like them?
Like them? I love them. Have you eaten anything?
Not really. What's up?
What do you want to eat? What should I make for you?
Tell me what I see in your eyes.
Like rice or...
Anything is So long as it's coming from you, I'm okay.
Deep feeling inside. What I see in your eyes, yeah. Deep feeling inside. Deep feeling. Tell me what I see in your eyes. What I see.
Come in.
Feeling inside.
Good day, ma'am.
Kenneth. Yes, please see Cynthia. She's going to give you a package. I'd like you to deliver it to my boyfriend, Tunji. It's a surprise, so don't call him and let him know you're on your way. Once you get to the location, then call him and say you're downstairs with a package for me. Okay?
All right.
All right, thank you. Report to me as soon as you're done delivering the package.
I will.
Thank you.
Good day, sir.
Good day. I'm here to see one Mr.
My dad.
Your dad?
Bayo.
Well, pretty much.
Get inside.
But Daddy,
I said get inside. And don't open the door for strangers next time.
Yeah.
Oh.
No, good day, sir.
Good day. You are Kamsi's driver, right?
Yes, I am.
Okay.
She asked me to give this to you.
Well,
Honey, what's going on?
but I thought I asked you to stay inside.
You have a beautiful sister.
Okay, well, tell her I say thank you very much.
Okay, yeah.
And please, don't mention any of this to her, please.
Hey, baby. Well, did you like it? You're welcome. And guess what? I have another. Who's that? Kenneth, you're back already.
Yes, ma'am. I'm back.
So, did you like it?
Of course, yes, he did. And he said he would see you later in the evening.
Did he? All right. Thank you.
No,
What?
nothing. I will just head back to my duty post. Yeah, ma'am.
What's wrong with this driver?
Yeah, sure.
No, it's mine. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. How is it yours? I took it first. It's mine. It's mine. No, it's not yours. It's mine. I took it first. Mine. I took it first. It's mine. Stop. Stop. It's my own. It's mine. It's not
Can
yours.
I no longer have peace in my own house?
That is for me. It's Ayo. I took my.
Shush it, both of you! What is the meaning of this?
Tunji, why are you shouting at my kids like that?
Lola, your kids are making a hell of noise.
Stop saying it like that, because they are your kids too.
Okay. Lola, please, can you kindly take our kids to spend the night somewhere?
How do you just ask us to give you space just like that? Where do you want us to go?
Lola, a client of mine is coming around. We have a couple of business talk and paperwork to work on. So if you can just take them somewhere, that would be good. I don't want any disturbance.
That cannot happen. You cannot just tell us to give you space like that. Where do you want us to go?
And that is your problem. Because this is the exact same reason I asked you to stay in the village. And let me come get you guys when I'm ready. But did you listen to me? No!
Oh, please. Don't go there. For how long do you want us to wait for you?
Lola, at least take the kids to Auntie Ronke's place to play with her kids. And you guys can spend the night there. I can come get you guys tomorrow morning. What?
You give me that. I'm not giving you. It's for me. I'm not giving you. Wait. I'm not giving you. No, I'm not giving you. No, I'm not giving you.
Babe, you shouldn't have bothered coming. You know, at least I would have preferred coming to you.
Babe, you say this every time I come to your house. What's wrong with coming to my boyfriend's house?
Absolutely nothing. You know, I don't like stressing you. And besides, it's obvious you just come from work. You should have gone home, rest a bit, take a good shower. You know, I don't want to stress you.
But I'm not stressed. Okay? There was nothing happening at the office, which is why I decided to come here. But maybe next time I'll let you know.
Yeah, you should call me at least to know if I'm around before you come.
Okay. Next time.
Good.
So what's up?
Well,
How's your day been?
my day has been fine. You know, work. As always.
Work? What kind of work?
Of course. Paperwork here and there, you know.
Well,
And yours?
nothing unusual happened at the office today. Same old, same old. I was bored, which is why I decided to come here.
Okay, I know.
Anyways, Are you expecting someone?
No, not really. No. And you?
Check if it's my driver. Maybe him. If he's the one, just tell him to wait in the car.
Okay.
Tunji.
Lola, what are you doing here?
I changed my mind.
Once you change your mind? Lola, I thought we agreed for you to pass the night in your auntie's place.
Let's go in first.
Lola, you can't go in.
Why? Besides, why are you speaking on a low tune?
Lola, this is how I talk. Lola, you can't go in. I told you I'm having a meeting.
Babe, what's going on? Who is that?
Lola, we had an agreement, didn't we? No. Lola.
So your client is a female? Eh?
What's going on?
Who are you?
Who are you?
Well, I'm his wife, and these are his kids.
Tunji.
So you tell me who you are, because you don't look like a client to me.
What is going on?
See, just calm down, okay, babe? I would explain.
Oh, babe! You see, I knew it. That's the reason why I changed my mind and decided to come back tonight. Because I was like, how will a client spend the night in your house?
Tunji, can you please explain to me what's going on?
Obviously, he has nothing to say. Shame on you, Tunji. Even your kids are here to see you.
Would you just shut up and let me speak?
Save yourself the stress.
Babe.
Don't touch me.
Babe, please. Babe.
Kenneth.
Ma.
Take me home.
Okay. Madam is...
Just drive, Kenneth.
All right.
Just move with it.
You know what, my girl? If any man should break your heart, just tell me about the person, okay? And I will teach the person a lesson of his life.
Daddy, it's not that deep.
Well, it is, because I'm not ready to joke with my girl.
So this guy...
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Kenneth.
Yeah. So
What
is
do you
everything
want?
okay?
What is it? What do you want?
I've been waiting downstairs for hours expecting you to come down, but in see you, so to check on you to know if we're still going to the office today.
Obviously, I'm not going to the office. Just go home, okay? Take the day off. Go spend time with your family.
Okay, but madam...
Kenneth.
What? Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Mom, your food is ready.
I'm not hungry.
But Mom,
Oluchi,
I just...
I'm not hungry.
But Ma, are you...
What are you still doing here? You know what? Take the day off. Better still take the week off. Come back next week.
But Ma, you said...
What?
Okay, Ma, I'm sorry, Ma.
Go
I'm
home.
sorry. Thank you, Ma.
Madam, what are you doing?
Kenneth, I told you to go home, okay?
I was worried. I had to come back. Why are you doing this?
I'm fine. Go home.
No, you are not fine. You stop, please. You're not fine. And I'm not leaving you alone. Are you doing this to yourself?
Just go, please. Leave me be.
Wait, easy. 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 Okay, take it easy. It's okay. Just okay. Hey. Good morning.
Good.
See you awake.
What are you doing in my room?
I'm sorry. Last night you were drunk, so I had to bring you upstairs.
Shit. I'm sorry.
No, it's okay. It's okay. We all have our moments. Tea for you.
Thank you. My head is banging.
You're welcome. Right. I could take you somewhere, somewhere you could just have a good time, chill, heal.
Heal from what?
I'm sorry. I don't mean to intrude, but I know what happened at your boyfriend's place.
Ex.
Right, your ex's place.
And how do you know?
You asked me to take a package there once, and I saw his family.
And you didn't think to tell me?
I'm sorry. I didn't know how to. I didn't think it was my place to say. I didn't know how you would take it.
No. Don't apologize, Kenneth. It's not your fault. Truth is, I met Tunji a while back on social media and we dated online. We spoke every single day, morning, afternoon, and night. It never crossed my mind that he could be married. I don't know why it didn't. I was just stupid and naive, honestly.
No, don't talk about yourself that way. I mean, it's not your fault you fell in love with him. It could happen to anybody. You're human. If it's okay, I could take you somewhere, just get things off your chest. Just stop thinking about things.
No. I want to stay at home.
No, but you can't stay at home. You're hurting. You need to get out and just breathe.
Yes, I can. Thank you, Kenneth.
All right. That's fine. I will take my leave now. Yeah.
Where were you going to take me?
There's this place I discovered. It's really cool. Bar, fun and games, pool, you name it. It's fun.
After my tea.
All right.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you for today.
Thanking me for what?
For taking me out. While we were out, I realized that I really needed it. I haven't had this much fun in a while.
I'm glad you had fun, ma'am.
Ma'am, call me Kamsi. Please sit.
Okay, man. Kamsi. Kamsi. Thank you.
So, how long have you been driving?
It's been a while now. Since I was 14.
14? That's awfully young. Why?
I would say I was curious and then I fell in love with driving. I really do love driving.
And that's why you applied as a driver?
Honestly, after graduating from uni, I couldn't secure a job, so I decided to become a truck driver. After that, this, yeah.
A truck driver?
Yes, I used to deliver goods across the country, you know.
Mm-hmm. And when did you say you finished school?
8 years ago.
Nice. What discipline?
Marketing. Graduated with a first class.
First class? Wow, I mean, why didn't you apply as a marketer instead of a driver?
Well, after losing my job, I just wasn't patient enough. I really needed to get back to working, you know, the way things are. So I just had to make do with what I found.
I see. And if a marketing job were to come to your door, would you take it?
Absolutely. Sure, I will.
Since you treated me out, can I get you anything to drink?
Hey.
Good morning.
Good morning, Kamsi. How was your night?
Fine. How was yours?
It was wonderful. It was great.
Okay.
What? You're not going to sit in the back?
Nope.
Okay.
Oh.
Hey.
You're here.
Yep.
And what are you making? Pepper soup?
No. It's a special jollof rice. My mom taught me how to make them. And you get to taste it today.
Can I help?
Sure. Right. Knock yourself out.
I will start with chopping the meat.
Oh, wow. Really?
Well, I'll cut everything but the pepper.
I'll do that myself.
Well, let's have a taste of the food I cooked.
Excuse you?
What? I did most of the cooking.
How? Really now?
Who did all the chopping and stirring? Who added the spices?
Okay, I see what you did there. So it's okay. You win. You did the cooking.
Better.
You know, I was quite surprised with how in tune you were with the kitchen, you know, considering the fact that you have a cook.
Well, when I was growing up, my mother was very adamant on me being in the kitchen.
That's nice. Where is she now?
She's passed on.
I'm so sorry. I had no idea. I'm sorry.
It's fine. Both my parents died in a car crash. Their car was smashed by a truck and the truck driver ran away.
Sorry. Sorry to hear that.
It's fine. It's fine. So, what do you think about the food?
I mean, considering the fact that I cooked it, it's good. Good.
Considering the fact that I cooked it.
Hi there. Hi there.
Tunji, what are you doing here?
Babe, look, okay, I came for a peace talk. Okay, just calm down.
First of all, I am not your babe. Okay? And there's no peace talk happening here. I'm not interested in whatever nonsense you have to say, okay?
Babe, please, just listen to me, okay? Let's just put the past behind us and move on, please.
What past, Tunji? Your wife? And your children? Is that your past?
Babe, see, we can both act like they don't exist, all right? Let's not let the woman and her kids come between us.
What woman and her kids? You mean your wife and your children? What kind of man are you, Tunji?
Babe, I love you. And I'm sure you feel the same way too. Swear you don't feel the same.
I don't. I swear on my life, I don't love you. Please just leave my house.
Babe, you don't mean it.
Whatever it is that you came back here to do, I don't want. I'm not doing it again, Tunji. Just go. Leave my house.
Please, let's walk.
Don't touch me. I said leave. I don't want to do again.
Babe, we can continue from where we stopped. Please,
You know who is continuing from where? I said I don't want. Just leave my house.
Please don't be like that. Please.
Tunji, I will not tell you again not to touch me.
Please don't
leave
be
my
like
house.
that, babe, please.
Where? Don't touch me. Leave.
Please, sit.
She's asking you to leave. Didn't you hear her?
Are you mad? Is this your driving? What's wrong with you?
What more do you want, okay? What more do you want to do to her? Leave!
If you don't get out of my face this instant, you won't like what I will do to you.
Really?
Babe, please.
Leave!
Sorry.
It's okay.
I'm so sorry about this.
It's fine. It's alright.
Kenneth, thank you for stepping in. I mean, only God knows what he could have done if you weren't here.
It's okay. What matters now is that you're fine.
Thank you. Should I get you water?
Okay. I'll do. Thank you.
Here is one. Thank you, Cynthia. Okay. Open it.
Right now?
Well, if you want to.
I don't understand.
Well, having seen your qualification, the company has decided to promote you to work as a marketer instead of a driver.
Wait, is this even real?
Yes, Kenneth, it's real.
Okay. Thank you so much. I don't even know what to say.
Thank you. Thank you so much. This means a lot, and I will not let you down. I give you my word. I won't let you down. Thank you so much.
It's an honor to have you working with us.
Thank you. Thank you. All right. I'll take my leave now. Man. Thank you so much. This means a lot. Thank you.
This calls for a celebration.
Of course.
Cheers.
Yeah. Thank you. I am so grateful. When you did this for me.
I had to, even though it wasn't the easiest thing convincing the committee members, but I did.
Thank you. But why? Why do this for me?
Why? Because you deserve it, Kenneth. You're a first-class graduate. You're a hardworking and intelligent man. Above all, you're a total gentleman. Considering everything you've done for me since we met, I think you deserve even more.
Thank you. I'm grateful.
Cheers.
Good.
Thank you.
Music?
Sure.
One sec.
Ah, nice choice.
Okay.
Well, I'm not very good with dancing.
Doesn't matter. Okay. Oh, and you're not good, really.
I can just spin, that's all.
Can't see. Can't see. There's something that's bothering me.
Babe, don't be bothered about anything, okay? This isn't wrong, okay? Just sleep.
It's not that.
Kenneth, just go to sleep, okay?
This is all you need to know for now.
Okay, thank you.
I can see you both are now together.
You're talking about Kamsi, right?
Kamsi. So you're now even calling her by her name.
What can I say? Yeah.
Okay. It's obvious you like her. That's very obvious. I'm just going to say, take care of my boss, please. She's a very sweet person and she really deserves the best. Take care of my boss.
You don't have to worry.
All right. So let me show you this one.
Feel it inside. Oh, it is magical.
There's something that's been on my mind.
What is it?
Would you like to get a car of your own?
Yeah, I mean, we work in the same place. I don't think it's necessary.
I understand, but I mean,
maybe sometimes you'd want to go to other places and, just the freedom of having your own car. Because I can get you one.
You get me what?
A car.
Really? Now that would be very nice, but I don't want you spending that huge sum on me. I'll be fine, don't worry. Plus, it is my job to take care of you, remember?
Oh, for your love,
Hmm?
it's an addiction. Oh, for your love, it's an addiction. Oh, for your love, for love, it's
Ma'am,
an
you hold.
addiction.
Yes, please sit.
Thank you.
So, tell me, Cynthia, how is Mr. Kenneth performing in his new position?
Excellently well. I must say he is one of the best staffs we have in this company. And hiring him to that position was the best decision we've made by so far.
Okay, perfect. Thank you.
Thank you.
Keep me updated.
I will.
Yes. Cynthia, what is it?
There are some policemen outside.
Policemen, what do they want?
I do not know. I just know that they've arrested Mr. Kenneth and it's really chaotic. It's really bad outside.
Well, send them in.
Okay.
Inspector.
Yeah. I'm with you, madam.
What's going on? Please just tell me what's going on. You have my fiancé in handcuffs.
I'm afraid, ma'am. He's the truck driver who smashed your parents' car and they ran away. That's right.
I am sorry. It was never my intention. It was a mistake. I was going to tell you. I'm sorry, please. Please forgive me. Please.
Sir, please. Please, Chief.
Kamsi, please. Kamsi, don't, sir, please, don't let them take me.
Please.
Kamsi, please.
Please,
It was a mistake.
Please.
Who is it? Yes.
Ma'am, yeah. Mr. Okonkwo is here to see you.
Well, tell him I won't be seeing anyone today.
Okay.
Hello? Who is this? What do you want, Kenneth? You took away my parents' lives. The only people that I had. My parents were driving to the airport to pick me up. I had waited 5 years to see my parents. And you took them from me. And after killing them, you ran away like a criminal. That day we were having dinner, when I told you about my parents' accident, you realized it was the same accident, right? And you didn't think to tell me.
Ma'am,
Cynthia.
this is the file you requested for.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Cynthia,
Yes, ma'am.
are you busy at your desk?
No, I'm free.
Can I have a word?
Sure.
Please sit.
Okay, thank you.
So the questions I'm about to ask are a bit personal. So I understand completely if you don't want to share.
No. Please talk to me.
Have you ever been in love?
Love. Yeah, I have. I mean, back then in the university.
And what was it like?
It was cool. Everyone knew about us in school then. My parents did too. We're like the talk of the town.
And so did this person ever hurt you?
Well, yes. Yes, he did.
Do you mind telling me what he did?
He was the cause of my father's death.
How?
So my father lost some money at the time, and that was all his life savings. We carried out an investigation, a thorough investigation. We found out that it was my boyfriend who stole from him. And of course, my dad had a heart attack and died because of the loss.
That's terrible.
Yes, it was terrible.
And so what did you do? You obviously had him arrested and locked up, right?
No. I mean, he came pleading and apologizing that it wasn't his fault. He needed the money at the time to further his education, and he did not have a choice. I just had to forgive him. My family did too. And that was it.
You forgave him?
Yes, I forgave him. And yes, it took a lot of time, but eventually I forgave him.
And so I'm guessing this is why the relationship ended.
No, ma'am. I got married to him. Mr. Alfred, my husband, is the said boyfriend.
Wow, I don't know what to say. This is insane. I don't know if this story is inspiring or devastating.
I understand you, ma'am. But you see, to err is human and to forgive is divine. We totally understood what he went through at the time, and we just had to let it go. I mean, there was no point holding on to grudges after so much explanation and understanding. So we let it go. Ma'am, I want to ask you a question.
Sure.
Why did you ask all this?
Well, it's about Kenneth. And you know the story.
Yes, I know the story. And I also know that Kenneth loves you so much. And I know you love him as much as he does love you, at least before he was arrested.
And how do you know he loves me?
It is obvious. It's very obvious. I can remember the day I brought him to your place to introduce you to him as your personal driver. He could not take his eyes off you. He just was staring all through, and every other thing, including the flowers from Valentine's Day.
What flowers on that? Wait, the bouquet of flowers that was on my table when
Yes, the bouquet of flowers from your table was from Kenneth. Didn't he tell you anything?
No, he didn't. Oh, Tunji's a bastard.
What?
Never mind. Thank you, Cynthia, for sharing, and thank you for your time.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I'll just... Thank you, ma'am.
Hello, Inspector. I want to drop the case.
I'm saying, I'm sorry. I don't even know what to say or where to start from. Please. It was never my intention. Didn't mean to run away. I didn't know what to do. Please forgive me. Please.
Hey. Come, sit down, watch this Korean drama with me. So it's K-drama. Let me tell you what it's about. This guy falls in love with this girl, and the That's basically what the story is about. It's a love story, romance. And he falls in love with her, but the twist is she's actually a wolf. But she like turns into a human being. You know how K-drama is now. And so now they're falling in love, but she has just 1 more year to live, so she's going to die soon. So it's just really, really interesting. That's what's going on now. Now she has 6 months to live, so just sit down. Let's finish the show together. Babe, sit down now. Kenneth, what are you...
From the very first day I set my eyes on you, I just knew I wanted to spend the rest of my life with you. I felt the connection like never before. I just knew that it was you. See, you do me the honors of being my wife.
Are you sure?
Please be my wife.
Yes, yes.
See in your eyes, deep feeling inside. What I see in your eyes, yeah. Deep feeling inside, deep feeling. Tell me what I see in your eyes. What I see. Deep feeling inside. What I see in your